Is it time? Is it time to share the thoughts that's in the back of my mind? Stop my words with no direction, I don't know what I'ma find. Gotta take it step by step, cause I'm on military time. I'm 1-2 step into the fucking finish line. What's mine is yours is a lie.
YouTube, what's good with y'all boys, man? We back with another video. And today, as y'all can see from the title, remember I told you in the last video that I was gonna unbox every single one of the mods that I already have for the car. I already have a bunch of stuff just sitting in the garage, waiting to be put onto the car. Today we about to do a little unboxing vid. So for those of y'all that didn't watch the video, in my last video I said I was gonna unbox all the mods that I already have for the car. I think I have a decent amount of stuff in the garage just waiting to be put on the car for real. It's about to rain in like 2 hours. I got Kalani sitting in there, so I gotta make this video real quick. Hopefully y'all boys fuck with the mods that I already have for the car. I have to keep going back and forth to the garage and back here. All the stuff is in the garage. I might just go get them and just set them right here. If y'all boys new to the channel, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. We on the way to 10K subs right now. I love the fall time, but I don't like all the leaves that it gets on my car. I definitely want to start doing at least a little bit of cosmetic mods, just so I have some videos to make for y'all boys. Like I said, I don't want to keep just dropping regular POVs and just POV drives. I definitely want to get more versatile in my vlogs in terms of, I want to do more day in the life stuff, me modding the car. Let's get it. So for the first mod, man, we have this mad air intake for the BMW X3 M40s. And just regular stuff that you will need to install this air intake. The reason why I went with this intake is because it was not a specific reason. It's because I wanted an air intake for the car. I could have went with a front mount intake, but I kind of wanted an intake to sit in the engine bay. So when I'm doing my POVs, I could hear some sounds for myself. Because my last intake I had in my 340, I could hear the intake, but I couldn't really hear everything because it was sitting in the front of the car. Way before the car was even here, I was telling West Coast Heroes, like, I need an intake. I ordered it, and I think it came here the same day the car got delivered. That's so crazy. Shout out to West Coast Heroes, man. And I'm rocking the T right now. And I'm repping the T right now. Stop playing. If any of y'all boys are watching this and you have this on your car, let me know, because I want to know how it sounds. Of course, I gotta get a downpipe. What's a BMW owner without his downpipe, man? As y'all can see, we got this downpipe from Spool Performance. I don't know anything about this downpipe, but I know all catless downpipe is basically the same shit. But let me show y'all boys, man. Let me show y'all boys how big.
What?
And no, this is not a sponsorship vid. Like I'm saying, none of these items are sponsored except from one of them. And we'll get to that soon. What's a BMW owner without his catless downpipe, man? B58 gonna start singing with this thing. Ooh, bup.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
When you tune a car, the stock springs on the car, it'll just feel like a monster truck once you got this car tuned. I don't know how to explain it to you, but the whole front end will just start lifting up and it'll just feel way too bouncy. In here, I got us some regular H&R springs, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. Now for the last car I had, I went with some KW coilovers. And I'm not gonna lie, them shits was kind of pricey, bro. But I am not in a rush to like put all these mods on at once. I low-key am, but I really want to build this car for Bella and Kalani, bro. Even though you necessarily don't have to. But building this car for the channel and just showing you guys unreal experience of just, that would just make me feel good as a content creator, man. People just want to make content to make content. I want to make content for people who want to make content. Somebody who want to build an X3 M40 or my previous F30. I want to inspire someone to go out there, pick up a camera, and make videos. It might be you behind the camera that's just waiting to go make the vlogs, bro. I'm making this video for you. So if you want to build any car, it don't have to be a BMW, it don't have to be an X3 M40, it don't have to be, it could just be any car. I just want to motivate the people to go out and make vlogs. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it got really, really dark, fast as hell. Let me hurry up. But this mod right here, this is the first thing I bought for the car. Y'all can't see it in the box. This is from, I got some carbon mirror caps. These carbon mirror caps are from Norco Dynamics. Now, if you look at them, they so clean, bro. One of the nicest carbon mirror caps I ever bought in my life. Norco Dynamics is my first ever sponsor. I had the F30, I had bought some interior trim from them. Every time I do POVs, people would just be hitting me up like, where you get the interior trim from? And I'm always texting them like, bro, there's people who want this interior trim. When y'all gonna sponsor me? Finally, them boys hit me up one day, and then it was up from there, man. Shout out to Norco Dynamics for, and this is the first thing I had bought for the car before the car even came here. So this was here before the car got delivered, which is crazy. Let me know in the comments, man, what should be my first mod that I install on this car? You feel me? A lot of people gonna say downpipe, a lot of people gonna say intake. A lot of people might say cosmetics, but let me know what you think.
Back the fuck up, I'll knock the fuck out you.
Now I think this might be one of the last mods, otherwise from this one that I'm looking at right here. Just some regular carbon tips I got off Amazon, feel what I'm saying? But my plan with these were, if you look closely right here, the fuck was that? Okay, but if you look closely right here, these exhaust tips are flat. And for you to take these off, I think you have to get them cut off and then you have to weld these tips on.
What do you mean by that?
But my plan was to get the downpipe on, the intake, and then I would get me a dual res delete, put these exhaust tips on, man. If you look at a whole exhaust system for this car, it is way too expensive. And I'm not saying like I wouldn't get an exhaust system, but I just don't believe in, say for instance, you go look at Valvetronic. Valvetronic is selling a whole exhaust system for $3K, which is, in my opinion, that's kind of crazy, bro. For me, just getting a car, I didn't want to spend a whole $3,000 on the exhaust system. I feel like that's kind of crazy. But I try to hit them up to try to work with them on the exhaust, and I feel like Valvetronic, they didn't want to work with me, man. I've been hitting them up since last year. I had their exhaust on my 340. I made hella videos tagging them, and they didn't even respond to me. Only time they responded to me was basically telling me that I'm not big enough of a creator to get a sponsorship. You feel what I'm saying? Which is, I don't know, man. These companies are weird. I'm not gonna let that stop me, bro. I just got these tips. I'm not letting none of these sponsors bother me, bro. Because in my opinion, if you're not a big creator or if you're not putting a whole bunch of views, which is, I get it, but at the same time, you guys as the manufacturer should be helping small creators get to where they need to be. You feel what I'm saying? That's why I feel like most of the content creators nowadays don't be getting the push that they need, because these big creators, these big manufacturers, they push creators that's already big. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't even make sense to me. Let me know if y'all fuck with the exhaust tips though, man. Feel me? Just some regular shit. I got the other one over there somewhere, but I probably won't pull it out of the box because it's basically the same thing. And then we about to move on to the last mod, which is this big ass lip. Feel what I'm saying? I don't know how much y'all can see on camera, but I got this, I think this is called a 3D style lip for the X3 M40s. If y'all look at the front end on these cars, man, I'm not gonna lie to you, without a lip, I don't like looking at the front end on these cars, but that's not the biggest deal. This is the type of lip where I think drill your own holes into these and then you have to drill it to the car. But for those of y'all wondering where I get it from, I got this from eBay, bro. If you look everywhere, these lips are going for like $500. I went on some websites and they're like $1,000 for no reason. I just went on eBay and got this for like $200 and it got here in like 4 to 5 days. I'm not spending all this bread on unnecessary shit, chat. It doesn't make sense for 10 companies to have the same lips. Some for 200, some for 1,000, some for 500. I'm gonna buy the cheaper one. Like, it doesn't make sense. Yeah, man, this right here is the last mod that I have for the car. It's nothing too crazy, bro. I think I have enough stuff to make it look way better than it do stock, and I'm appreciative of that. You feel me? I didn't even think I was gonna have this many mods for the car in the first place. So me having all these mods, man, I'm just thanking God. I'm able to make some videos for y'all boys, putting on these mods, you feel what I'm saying? But I gotta pick Bella up later from school, so I'm gonna record all that. And then when I get home, I'm gonna flash the car, so y'all boys see what it's like flashing the car. And I am gonna be using Beamer code to do this. So stay tuned, man, stay tuned. We got a lot of shit coming, and I'm excited, bro. I'm excited. I'm gonna see y'all boys in the next part of the vid, man. But remember earlier when I said I wanted to change these trim right here? This is the trim I'm talking about. It's like a little bronze trim. They got it right here too. And they got it right here. I don't know why I just said bronze trim, because this looks gold as fuck. That's definitely gold. I don't know what trim it is, but yeah, man, we about to go pick up Bella soon. Walk our boys around the car. Look at that interior, man. The interior looking mighty nice. Just wait till we start throwing parts on out here, man. Shit gonna be crazy. But like I'm saying, man, when I'm going to pick Bella up, I will pick the camera back up. I'm just give y'all boys a day in my life. Yo, I swear to God, he just killed some shit in here. Let me show y'all something. I know he def took it and hide it, cause there was a tail, there was a random tail right here in the fucking leaves. And I know he killed something. Look at him. He's outside. Look at this nature, chat. Beautiful fall in Maine. And it's about to rain outside. God. Let me see what Kalani doing here. Kalani. Yo, she funny as hell, bro. I love you. What's up? She got her gloves on and shit, chat. I heard you were pretending to vlog the other day. What were you saying? What were you saying to your vlog?
What's up?
You were saying what's up to your vlog?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Kalani. Say what's up? Why are you acting shy? Windows up. Windows up, Kalani. Say what's up to the camera.
What's up?
Why would you put the window down? You see why I keep them locked? Don't mess with that.
Sure.
What's your name? What's your name? Annie?
I just dropped something in here.
Where?
In here.
You want to get Kalani out? How was school? What you doing in school today?
I go outside and had oatmeal and had rest and outside and home.
Outside and home?
Yeah.
Really? And what you do there?
Playing with Bob?
You play with Bella?
Yeah.
She wasn't even home.
No, I was at school.
Long story short, chat. I had to go pick Bella up from school. Now, I don't know, bro. Could just spend the day and should just about to just spend the day and relax. As y'all can't see, I gotta watch these two troublemakers, man.
Reindeer.
You're a reindeer.
I'm the line leader.
You're the line leader at school?
Yeah, but we're the weight.
Really? So yeah, chat. As y'all can see, man, it's about to rain outside. And I gotta put these stuff in the house. I gotta bring them in and change them. Feel me? Change Bella into some better clothes because I know she's hot. You hot, Bella? You're not. I got a coat on. I got a coat on and I'm hot. Not you? Yo, she got so fucking big. I love you. If y'all boys enjoyed the vlog, man, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. We on the way to 10K subs right now. And it's about to start raining. So let's hit the sack. Pause. You want to say bye to Grampy?
Bye, Daddy.
Say bye to Grampy.
Bye, Daddy.
He's going to be watching this. So say bye, Grampy.
Bye, Daddy.
Go kissy. Mwah. Mwah. You come say bye. He's going to be watching it.
Bye, Grampy.
Say bye.
Bye, Grampy.
Go kissy. Mwah. Like, comment, and subscribe if y'all boys enjoyed the vlog. We gonna catch y'all boys in the next one, man.
Every time. 1-2 step into the fucking finish line. What's mine is yours is a lie, cause what's yours is never mine. Yeah, I'm the one who taught all these niggas how to rhyme. If you don't know who to call, just put Keon on the line.